My name is Colleen Irwin. I'm the production manager at Moonshine Mamas, and Moonshine Mamas makes turmeric elixirs. We are at that point in small business where things are scaling very, very quickly, and we are upgrading our certifications to higher levels as we're going into more and more bigger stores and bigger chains, and traceability is huge for that. Moonshine Mama started 9 years ago in Mel's Kitchen and selling at the local market. So things like traceability weren't an issue, and now we're shipping across the country and we need to be tracking our ingredients in every bottle, and this is fairly new for us. So this has been a great, we did have tracking systems on sheets of paper like this, all handwritten, and God forbid there ever is a recall, we're not going to have to recall every single last bottle out there. We'll be able to pinpoint it fairly precisely. The thing I'm really liking about Caddy is it offering my choices. So we have produce that is juiced, and then the juice is batched, and then the batches are bottled, and then the bottles are packaged and set out. So when I use Caddy to document any of those steps, it is offering me the information I need from the step before right in front of me. I don't have to go looking for it. I don't have to make it up, but it's there. As long as I've done the step before, it's sitting there waiting for me to select it, and it knows, perhaps I have 3 different juice containers, and it shows me those 3, and I can choose one, and it's all in one place in one moment, and very useful that way. Ingredient tracking is what's really exciting to me right now. Yeah, it comes in the door. The receiving is so simple. It takes seconds to receive something into the building, and then I can see that particular lot number and use it right away for tracking our products. That's nice. And it's nice as we're building the database and adding more information, it's getting very precise. And that's really great to see. There are certain things that we only order, say, every 6 months, and already that's becoming useful in Caddy because I can see our usage much easier and track them. We were recently audited, and there was this one ingredient that he zeroed in on, but I did in fact have it in Caddy, and I was able to pull that up and show him. So that was nice. But being able to just email you, that's unusual in this day and age to talk to somebody. And you've always answered quickly. So that feels very present and real and easy to ask questions and get answers. And they're very prompt. Those quarterly checkpoints are useful for us, but also useful for me personally to get a picture of what is going on. Caddy's user interface is very simple. Just takes seconds to figure out, and it's intuitive. Training the rest of the crew will be super quick to say, this is what you do, here you go. And I think they're going to find it really easy as well.